In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload image in Google Chrome Lens. If you've ever seen a photo and wondered what it is, where it came from, or where to buy something similar, Google Lens in Chrome makes that incredibly easy. I'll walk you through two quick methods, one for images saved on your computer, and one for images you find while browsing, along with a few handy things you can do once your image is analyzed. First, let's upload an image from your computer using Chrome on a desktop or laptop. Open Google Chrome and head to images.google.com. At the right side of the search bar, you'll see a small camera icon for Google Lens. Click that. You'll be given an option to upload a file. Choose Upload a File, then navigate to the image on your computer, select it, and click Open. Chrome will send the image to Google Lens, and within a moment, you'll see results. These can include visually similar images, related web pages, and information detected inside the picture. If your image is large or detailed, give it a second to load fully. Most common formats like JPG and PNG work well, and clearer images usually return better matches. Now, if the image is already on a website you're viewing, there's an even faster way that doesn't require you to save anything. Go to the page with the picture, right-click directly on the image, and choose Search Image with Google Lens. A lens panel will open on the right side of Chrome with instant results. This is great for product photos, artwork, landmarks, and screenshots you come across while browsing. You can keep the page open, compare results side by side, and refine what lens focuses on by adjusting the selection area if it appears. Once your image is uploaded or selected, Google Lens gives you several powerful tools. It can identify objects, plants, people, or places, helping you learn more about what you're seeing. If there's text in the image, Lens can translate it into your preferred language, which is especially helpful for signs, menus, and documents. You can also find similar products online to compare prices in stores. And you can copy text detected in the image so you can paste it into notes, emails, or searches. If the initial results aren't quite right, try zooming in on the part of the image that matters most to you. And that's it. Whether you're uploading from your computer or searching an image directly on a web page, Google Lens in Chrome makes visual lookups quick, accurate, and effortless.